I designed a newborn baby gift for a friend, so I thought I should share the design process with you guys. Let's start with the new artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Choose a rectangle tool and create a 170 by 220 rectangle. This is going to be the size of our design. Click on these two dots while holding the shift key. Now drag them down to create an arch shape. Let's go to Canva and search for some baby icons and elements which we will use within our designs. Choose whichever you like and download them in PNG or SVG format. If you want to download free cut files, you can find the link to the shop in the description. If you download them in PNG format, then open it in Adobe Illustrator. Click on image, now go to image trace and click on trace. Go to object and click on expand. Now ungroup them and remove the extra bits. I have chosen these elements to use within my design. I have already created a manual sketch, so I'm just going to place the elements accordingly. Select the line tool, draw a small line and give it a thick stroke. Duplicate it and paste it on the opposite side. Go to object and click on expand to convert them into vectors. Centrally align them. Choose your favorite font to write the name. If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe to my channel. This would really help push the YouTube algorithm. Select the line tool again to draw some lines as a divider. Centrally align them. Enter weight, date of birth and height of the baby at the time of the birth. Use your favorite fonts to write and create the monogram of the first letter of the name. Copy these 4 elements as we are also going to cut them separately to paste them on the surface. Convert the text into vector by right-clicking and choosing the Create Outlines option. Click on Ellipse tool and create two 3mm thick circles for the ribbon. We are going to score, cut, emboss this design, so let's open it in LightBurn software to start the process. The blue lines are going to be cut, the green lines are for scoring and the red lines are for embossing. And this is the result of our final product. you can check the link in the description. There are tons of free laser cut files available to download from my shop. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.